look at the volume. This is the lowest volume. So this is your no demand, followed by, you're right, look at the volume. That's crazy. This bar right here, right? So after this, and this, I would be expecting this. And because the follow through was weaker, my expectation was that we're going to have an ease of movement, and it's going to be the best ease of movement out of those three follow through ease of movements. Little did I know how easy it's going to move. Why would I say so? Well, because the next bar should be down. The next bar should be down. This is not an exhaustion bar right here. What this needs to be seen as one impulse akin to what we had here and here. So therefore, selling improves even more. That was my expectation, that this is a bluff. We're going to see improvement of selling. It happens. We're going to see this deterioration by the demand. It happens. And then ease is going to be even more. And I thought that we're going to go into that climactic run. We are definitely accelerating. Momentum is accelerating a lot. But we've just come to the level right here where we said this is last time, at this level, significant demand comes in, absorbs supply.